India versus Australia. Match details and probable playing 11 of both the teams. With the ODI and T20I series result levelled at 1-1, it is almost time for final and Team India's toughest hurdle of the tour, the Test series. The last time India played in Australia, India created history by winning their first ever Test series by defeating Australia by 2-1. However, Australia were weak on the batting side, then with David Warner and Steve Smith missing. This time though, the big news for Team India is that Virat Kohli won't be available from the second Test match onwards. While the good news is that Virat Kohli would be playing the first pink ball Test match at Adelaide. But his captaincy and batting can be a huge blow to Team India once he departs. Also to note that Rohit Sharma shall be back for the third and the final Test match, which is a big plus. Nevertheless, Team India would be facing a lot of selection dilemma before the first Test match. For starters, 3 or 4 places are up for the grab. The second opener slot, the wicket-keeper, the lower order batsman and the third pace bowler are not decided yet. However, the good thing is that practice games has given us an indication of what could be India's playing 11 for the first Test match. So with Steve Smith and David Warner back in the squad and the Labuschagne at his peak, will Team India able to retain the trophy? This is the big question. Well, only time can tell. Meanwhile, let's look at the probable playing 11 of both the teams for the first Test match. Team India's Test squad for the tour of Australia. Virat Kohli captain, Mayank Agarwal, Prithvi Shaw, KL Rahul, Cheteshwar Pujara, Ajinkya Rahane vice captain, Hanuma Vihari, Shubman Gill, Wriddhiman Saha wicket-keeper, Rishabh Pant wicket-keeper, Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Shami, Umesh Yadav, Navdeep Saini, Kuldeep Yadav, Ravichandran Ashwin, Ravindra Jadeja and Mohammad Siraj. Even before the squad for the Test series was announced, Mayank Agarwal was Team India's first choice opener in Test matches. He has been phenomenal last year, scoring over 700 runs and averaging over 65. It was here in Australia in 2018 series that he began his Test career. Since then, it has been no turning back for Mayank. But in the absence of Rohit Sharma, Prithvi Shaw and Shubman Gill shall be competing for the second opener slot. Ever since his injury, Prithvi Shaw has had been poor returns in the all matches he had played so far. Be it New Zealand Test Series, IPL 2020 or the recent practice matches, Shaw has been struggling for form due to his poor techniques and mindset. Whereas Gill's solid technique has given good results so far. He has been consistent in IPL and in the practice matches too. Moreover, Shubman Gill can play in middle order. Once Rohit Sharma is back and Kohli flies to India, hence in the current scenario, it would only be wise to go for Shubman Gill over Prithvi Shaw. So my two openers are Mayank Agarwal and Shubman Gill. The middle order trio shall see the regular Cheteshwar Pujara, Virat Kohli and Ajinkya Rahane, continuing at number 3, 4 and 5 respectively. In pink ball condition, these guys are Team India's backbone if India have to do well in Adelaide Test match. In the Adelaide Test match during the last tour, Pujara gave a match winning knock and thus he would want to continue his golden form in this series too. Rishabh Pant or Wriddhiman Saha? That's the most important question Team India would be facing ahead of Adelaide Test. Ever since New Zealand series started, Rishabh Pant has been struggling to get going good. Even in the tournament, he has performed the best, the IPL. However, Rishabh Pant has been preferred over Wriddhiman Saha in the overseas Test matches. And his recent attacking century in the practice game is just another example of why he is such an important member of the squad. Even though Wriddhiman Saha is more potent keeper, the need of R is a batsman keeper, not a keeper batsman. And hence, Rishabh Pant can get green card here. At number 6, it has to be Hanuma Vihari, who has been a regular member of Indian side. And even in the recent practice match, he struck a solid century. Moreover, his part-time off-spin can be a big asset on day 3, 4 and 5. With Ravindra Jadeja yet to recover, Ravichandran Ashwin should play as the leading spinner all-rounder of the squad. Apart from his crucial overs, Ashwin can also add a lot of value as a batsman, which is very necessary in first Test match. Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Shami would be leading the pace bowling attack in the pink ball condition. However, in the absence of Ishant Sharma, one of Umesh Yadav, Navdeep Saini or Mohammad Siraj should get a chance to play as the third pacer of the team. Looking at the recent form in the practice games, Umesh Yadav should get the chance to play as a third pacer of the team, and additionally he is valuable hitting down the order, be a big asset of the team. So that completes the probable playing 11 of Team India for the first pink ball Test match between Australia and India at Adelaide. मयंक अग्रवाल, शुभमन गिल, चेतेश्वर पुजारा, विराट कोहली कैप्टन, अजिंक्य रहाणे वाइस कैप्टन, हनुमा विहारी, ऋषभ पंत कीपर, रविचंद्रन अश्विन, उमेश यादव, मोहम्मद शामी एंड जसप्रीत बुमराह. Australia's playing 11. Marcus Harris, Matthew Wade, Marnus Labuschagne, Steve Smith, Travis Head, Tim Paine, captain wicketkeeper, Cameron Green, Mitchell Starc, Pat Cummins, Nathan Lyon and Josh Hazelwood. So thank you for watching. What's your probable playing 11 for the first pink ball test match between India and Australia? Please let us know in the comment box, and please like this video, please share this video and subscribe the channel.